Kim Pao, ang kwento sa Amanpulo. Kim Chu and Paolo Avenue Lino Sweet Island Escape. Hey mga ka-celebrity hub, get ready to soon, dahil ang favorite tandem nating lahat, Kim Chu at Paolo Avellino, aka KIMPAU, ay spotted recently enjoying a sweet and serene getaway sa Amanpulo, the luxury paradise in Palawan. So, ano nga ba ang tunay na kwento sa likod ng Kim Pao escapade na to? According to insiders, the two arrived discreetly but couldn't escape the eagle eyes of some lucky guests. Kim and Paolo looked relaxed and glowing, clearly enjoying each other's company away from the noise of showbiz. Sa dami ng mga projects nila together, it seems the pair took the chance to unwind and reconnect, not as co-stars, but as two people who genuinely enjoy being together. Sweet Island moments. Check. Witnesses shared that the two were seen taking a peaceful sunset walk along the beach, barefoot, tahimik, at tila ba nag-uusap lang ng mga simpleng bagay. Paolo was even seen carrying Kim's sandals at one point, gentleman level 100. May moment pa raw na si Kim ay napasigaw sa tuwa habang naglalaro sila sa shore, at tawang-tawa si Paolo habang pinapanood siya. Fans couldn't help but notice how natural they looked together. May pa-photoshoot. Yes, please. Sources say they also took time to shoot some beachside photos, not for work, but just for fun. Paolo, who's also a hobbyist photographer, was seen taking candid shots of Kim as she twirled in a flowy white dress with the ocean as her backdrop. Romantic. Definitely. Real score. Hanggang ngayon, neither Kim nor Paolo have confirmed any romantic relationship, but moments like this in Amanpulo just make the Kim Pao Nation believe that something deeper may be blossoming. Whether it's friendship turned into something more, or just two kindred spirits enjoying life, their chemistry is undeniably real. Fans are now wondering, was this just a friendly breather, or is Amanpulo the setting of a new chapter in their story? Stay tuned, mga ka-celebrity hub, as we keep you updated sa lahat ng kilig at kwento about Kim Pao. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe para sa more exclusive scoops and behind-the-scenes love stories. Anong masasabi nyo sa Kim Pao moment sa Amanpulo? Is it friendship or love in the air? Drop your thoughts below.